Guys, guess where we are?
Think of a proper Decepticon.
So we're gonna go straight to the lower line and start from the most inside. Work our way out. That's the plan. Let's go. First ride, Mummy. Alright, we're just finished the Mummy. On to the next one. Let's go. This is a hat? How do you wear this? Oh, like this. Did I get this? It actually doesn't look bad. Shy and happy. On the Harry Potter ride, we actually got stuck right before the dragon. And when we started, the dragon breath went right into my mouth. That was our spotted.
Host of The Tonight Show, Jimmy Fallon. Dressed up to look like a subway station. Hold on, hold on.
Just finished the studio tour. Gotta say, it was actually better than last year. Maybe because of the host. Paul did a good job. Hello. So that concludes our day off at Universal. Studio tour, that was my favorite part. And I didn't leave empty-handed this time. Got some gifts. So see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.